Be careful you don't put too much makeup on, or this Halloween you might just disappear. Even unicorns want to dress up for Halloween. Where did my mini unicorn go? Oh, here she is! Let's do a colorful makeup look using small temporary tattoos. Apply them over the brow line. Wet them with water. Voila! A rainbow over my eye? Fast and easy! Cover your eyelids with temporary tattoos. Put rainbow highlighter on your nose and cheekbones. Now let's create a magical hairstyle. Divide the hair into 2 ponytails. Put on bun donuts. Wrap the hair around them. Coat the buns with blue hairspray. We are missing one last detail: rainbow hair ties. The look is complete, and our mini unicorn is happy. Hey, where'd she go again? Back to her rainbow, probably. Oh! What's this? Knock, knock. Surprise! Look what I have here. Wow! What's this? Goo Goo Galaxy. How cute! We'll unbox this Goo Goo Galaxy thanks to our sponsor, Moose. Meet #Goo Goo Galaxy. Let's open the box. Wow! Lovely! And this is little Bowie Beam Heart. And what's this? Rainbow glitter? I love it! And here's a manual. Aha! First, we need some water in a bowl. Let's put 1 sachet of meteor melt into it. Stir it with a whisk. And add glittering electroatoms and celestial shimmer. Keep stirring. Now let's fill a rejuvenator with the goo. And feed our cute Bowie Beam Heart. Squeeze Bowie's squishy belly and watch her do a comet vomit. She'll spit up her star goo through her mouth. And then you can refill her using the rejuvenator again and again. She's shining and all fed. Our little sister picked a bad place to draw, right at the makeup table. And she'll use colorful eyeshadow instead of paints. Here we go! One drawing is done! What is this pink creation? Halloweenny decided to figure out who's been messing with her makeup. To keep another cosmetic catastrophe from happening, Halloweenny suggests using eyeshadow properly. Let's give you the same makeup look that your drawing has. Draw a heart with a thick white eyeliner pencil on the forehead. That's the base of our drawing. Go over the shape with colorful eyeliner. Eyeshadow sticks well to the white base. Color the inside of the heart with eyeshadow. Draw another heart on the lid and cheekbone. Color the eyelashes with white mascara. Apply colorful eyeshadow on top. Cover the lips with pearly lipstick. Add some shadows for extra color. Finish off the look with glowing earrings. Cover braided hair with toning hairspray. After finishing this magical transformation, Halloween vanishes, but we still have a party to go to. I'm ready to rock this Halloween. My photos will get so many likes. What look should I do for Halloween? A higher power sends me a sign. A witch hat! There's my makeup idea! Apply bright orange eyeshadow under your eyebrow and all over your eyelid. Line your lower lid. Do thick winged eyeliner. Apply the same orange eyeshadow along your cheekbones and the tip of your nose. Put highlighter on your nose and at the corner of your eyes. Draw constellations on your cheeks using black eyeliner. Cover your lips with matte burnt orange lipstick. Apply false eyelashes. Finish the look with fake nails that match the Halloween theme. What a sweet witch! She's not evil at all. I wonder if her crystal ball will tell her who's going to win the costume contest. Our unicorn is thinking hard about what to be for Halloween. Her horn looks too boring for a party. Unicorn loves ice cream. Why not try to imitate it? Attach an ice cream cone to your head using bobby pins. Color a strand of hair using peach-toned hairspray. And wrap it around the cone. Put coral, orange, and yellow eyeshadow onto your lids. And blue eyeshadow near your nose and forehead. Color your cheekbones purple. Make the contour pink. Cut a cloud-shaped stamp out of an eraser. Coat the stamp with white face paint and leave prints on your face. Color your lips with matte lipstick. Unicorn turned into lovely ice cream, but we can recognize her anyway. You are the brightest unicorn of them all! Seeing a red balloon right before Halloween is kind of scary, but we promise that our Pennywise won't be that frightening. Draw the shape of a clown smile across your cheek and over your eyebrow with a white eyeliner pencil. Apply colorful eyeshadow on top. Smudge it to make a gradient. Draw pointy eyebrows using a pencil. Draw a line in the middle of the colorful smile using white concealer. That'll make it look like it's glowing. Repeat that on the other side. Apply false eyelashes. Cover the tip of your nose with concealer. And apply rainbow eyeshadow. Cover the lips with purple lipstick. What a sweet clown! Let's complete the look with mesh sleeves and a delicate tulle cravat. This clown won't scare anyone. We have never seen such a cute, colorful Pennywise. Don't be scared of red balloons anymore. We have got a little devil in the studio today. How bland! Maybe you can become an angel for a day. Sure! Let's change the hair color and wipe off this intense makeup. I'm practically an angel already. Put white eyeshadow on the eyelids. Line the lower lid and inner corner with concealer. Also apply concealer on the upper eyelid. Put on white mascara. Color false eyelashes with white acrylic paint. Let them dry. Accent your cheekbones and nose with highlighter. Apply white eyeshadow. Paint your lips with concealer. Attach rhinestones. Use eyelash glue. Attach the white eyelashes. Decorate the lips with a rhinestone. Put a fake piercing in your nose and use dry shampoo to make your hair lighter. Here come your wings and your halo. Perfect timing! I'm a radiant being of peace and light. Great work, devil! A pumpkin is an iconic symbol of Halloween. We just need to turn it into a jack-o'-lantern. But our pumpkin is special. On this magical night, one pumpkin turns into 5. Hey! What happened here? My pumpkin is reproducing. What cute babies! That's an interesting idea for my outfit. I'll glue the pumpkins to a headband. Glue on all 5 pumpkins. What a fun pumpkin crown! Now let's do some makeup to match. Put green eyeshadow on your lids. Cover the upper and lower lid. Connect the outer corner with the end of your brow. Highlight the inner corner of your eye. Apply orange lipstick to your lips. And to your cheeks. Blur it with your fingertips. Draw freckles using a brown eyeliner pencil. Put false eyelashes on using special eyelash glue. Glue a smaller clump of lashes onto your lower eyelid. Complete the look with sparkly pumpkin earrings. I'm the Pumpkin Queen! This outfit will produce a bountiful harvest of likes. Did you like our cute Halloween makeup ideas? Comment below which one you'll try out for a Halloween party. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any new Halloween ideas from Troom Troom.